So today's video is this look. No, just kidding. Good morning. As you can see, your girl is all ready and decked out. Today's video is a very fun video because the weather today is really fun and nice, and that's why I thought I should be shooting a very nice and fun video. What am I shooting today? We will be experimenting with the lip colors that go with blue eyes. So that's why I have already done my eyes. My makeup is completed and my hair is done. I have already dressed up. I'm wearing this beautiful neck piece. I think I bought this from Amazon, a Bohemia set or something like that. If I find this piece, I would link it in the description box. This really goes very nice with any, full black outfit, and it looks really nice. It glams up the entire look of the outfit, and it could be just one single color. It goes really good with red, just single colors, no designs, no stripes. But today's video is not about that. It's about the lip color experiment that we will be doing that goes really nice with blue eyes. So excuse me for that. So I have got 10 colors that I have selected. I have actually selected 10 colors from my lipstick set, or from my lipstick repository. I have actually selected 10 colors that we are going to try, and you guys are going to comment below and let me know if the colors are really going good with blue eyes or not. So as we all know, if we are wearing something like a blue smoky eye or something, then if the eyes are really dark, then we need to have light lips. But then we are going to experiment today. So let's see. This is something like a really gothic look, if you see, but then I like it. I love wearing eyes that are blue and yellow and pop of colors. It is very nice. And if you are hearing somebody talking in the background, please ignore that, because Neil is on a video call and he is too loud, and that's why I'm trying to speak a little louder so that I can overdo his voice, but that doesn't happen. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with the first color of the day that I am wearing right now, which is from the brand called Nika, and it's in the shade 09 Mona Lisa, and this color is my favorite so far with the blue eyes. It's looking really nice, amazing. So let's get cracking with the next colors. Alright, so the next color is this bright orange, and I think it is really bold, but it is looking nice. So this is the color. And this is a Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte range. And I think this is looking really nice. Alright, so you can see the next color on my lips, and this is from Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade I don't see the shade here, N422. It's more like a muted mauve, pinkish mauve kind of a thing, but I think this lip color is looking really nice with the blue eye and the black dress. It's looking really nice, and it's wearable. I think this is wearable. So this is the color. So you guys, let me know in the comments if you like this one or not. So this is something really nice, and I think it's going nice with any skin tone of like my skin tone or any Indian skin tone or dusky skin tone, this will look really nice and pop up your lips, as well as keeping it a little muted with the blue eyes. So let's try the next color. And what would be the next color? Let me just choose. Let's try some red now, because red is in always, and as you guys know that red is my favorite color. So I will be trying this one from Nykaa, and this is in the shade 13 by Mumtaz. That's the shade. So let me quickly apply this and show it to you guys. Alright, so you can see the red on my lips is looking really nice. I love experimenting with colors. So people say don't go bold on your eyes and your lips together, but I think red and blue is looking nice. I feel it's looking nice. This is Nykaa, so you can see this is that, orangish red, but I think this is looking nice. Do you think it's wearable, guys? So leave me a comment below and let me know if this is wearable. But I don't know, I love it. I love to experiment with bold colors on my lips and on my eyes as well. So I enjoy this. And red, oh, I can't stop talking about red. I should shut up. No talking about red, but I love it. I really love it. Alright, so the next color on my lips, I think this one is also looking nice. I don't know why I love brown nude shades. This is not nude, but it is in the category of nude, and it is Caramel Margarita, and this is from Nykaa as well, and this color is looking really nice. I think I can wear this. This one looks nice. So if you guys want to try, and let me know. With the blue eyes, is it going? Is it not going? With the, the attire, the black and blue, and the lips. Let's dig into the next one, and let's try something really, really dark again. And this is in the shade Chocoholic, and this is from Maybelline. This is not a matte, so this is the color. It's almost like brown. So let's try this brown shade. Alright, so this is the shade. This is like a dark brown, chocolatey brown color, and this is how it looks with the blue eyes. Remember, blue eyes is constant. Changing is the lip color. So we are experimenting with the lip colors. So don't forget to, notice the lip colors. Okay, and oh, what happened? Why did it all of a sudden turn little, shadowy, and it was so nice and bright and sunny, and all of a sudden it became very gloomy outside. Sad, but nevertheless, let's finish the video. Alright, so this is the next one. You guys can see, I think you guys can see. This is from Lakme 925 Creaseless, and this is in the shade Pink Perfect MP16. This is more like, this nice bubblegummy pink. Not even bubblegummy pink, it's like more of queen pink kind of a color, but I think this is not going really nice. It's looking, I don't know, it's not looking nice to me. With the blue eyes, it's looking like more of a clown face or something, but I don't know. You guys can comment and let me know. That's what we are doing, right? Experimenting. So, okay, so we are almost done with 7 colors, and as you guys know that we should always save the best for the last. That's what I have done as well. So I have got 3 more colors to show with to share with you guys the colors, applying it on my lips. My lips might look a little red right now because of the swatches that I'm doing continuously, but just 3 more to go, and then I'm gonna get rid of all the lipstick on my face, wash my face, and get into my pajamas and enjoy the day because it has turned gloomy, and that's why I don't want to work anymore today. Any which way, it's weekend and I'm feeling very, very lazy. So let's get cracking. The last three colors are, one is from MAC Honey Love. That's my favorite, all-time favorite. You know guys how much I love this color. So let's try this Honey Love right now on my lips. Alright, so right now I have Honey Love by MAC on my lips. And I think this color is really going nice with my blue eyes. It's actually creating the look, and it's actually, you know, like it's like put together look. So it's actually going very nice. Your concentration is on the eyes and your lips are very muted and very put together. And I think it's a very, very wearable look so far from all the lipsticks that I tried. This is one which is going really well according to me. But yes, of course, you guys are the one who are gonna judge. So you guys are gonna comment and let me know. So how does it look? Comment. Alright, so this one is MAC Ruby Woo, and this is a essential must-have red lipstick for all you girls out there. I would say if you are not ready to invest in good skincare, good makeup, it's absolutely fine, but you should invest at least in this one. This is a color which will go with almost maximum outfit. All the seasons it will go, and it's really, really nice, and it looks amazing on Indian skin tone with any outfit, Indian, Western, anything. It really looks nice. So you can see this is also looking nice on this outfit and this look as well, even though it's a very, very bold gothic like look, but still it's looking nice on this. I think it is also wearable. So with the swatches done, we are waiting for the showstopper, and let me show you the showstopper before I swatch it on my lips. And it is again by MAC, and this is a very, very bold color, guys. It's called the High Drama Retro Matte Lip Color. This is very, very, very gothic, guys. So let's apply this and see how does it pull off the look. Okay, so this is the showstopper color, guys. You can see this is like a dark mauve, you know, velvety color. It's very nice. I don't know how to say it, but this color is lovely. It's a high drama. It's a dark violet color, I would say, and it's a mix of plum color and a violet color, and this is looking really nice on the lips. If you take out the eyes, without the eyes it looks really nice, because with this color you cannot have blue eyes for sure, because this color itself is really, really bold, and to have blue eyes with this color, I don't think it is justifying the color, neither the blue eyes. So it is definitely not wearable with the blue eyes, so I would prefer not to wear it with blue eyes. So this is the 10 lipstick experiments that I did with you guys, as in blue eyes and lipstick experiment that I did. Let me know how you guys are liking the videos and the experiments. If you guys liked any of the colors, or if you guys liked any of the looks in the colors, then definitely don't forget to comment below which one was your favorite pair with the blue eyes. So leave a comment below, and if you want to see a video of my blue eyes, how I created this, there is already a tutorial. I would link it somewhere here or here. You can click that and check that. And I think this is the end of the video. As I told you that it's become gloomy, it's weekend, and it started raining, so I think I'm gonna change and I'm gonna get in my pajamas. And yes, your girl is getting in your pajamas, and I'll have a nice cup of coffee, and I will check when he will finish his work today, because weekend I don't like to work, and I don't want him to work, and we both spend time together, but he's always working and working and working. So yeah, I would just check with his schedule, and if we see that we both are in sync with each other, then definitely we're gonna watch Netflix series and movies and enjoy the weekend. So you guys also enjoy the weekend. See you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel, because your subscription and your comments means a lot to me, as we are now a family of 10,000 plus people, and I am so happy to have you all onboarded. And also, if any of you are interested to buy my merchandise from Be Obsessed, that shop is open in the link below. You can go and check out my new collections of Be Obsessed, and if you like anything, you can definitely purchase it. And let me know which collection, which print have you liked. So don't forget to do that. And I think it was a good video. I enjoyed shooting the video. Let me know how you guys enjoyed it. And I will end the video here without rambling any longer. Stay fit, stay healthy, be obsessed about yourself in whatever you do, because always remember there is light behind darkness. And stay indoors, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.